Hi there, Tragon Turner here, Technical Services Manager for Nelsen Corporation. Welcome to another edition of Tragon's Tuesday Tech Tips. Today we're going to be demonstrating how to use the Nelsen Resin Loader. When you get your Nelsen Resin Loader, it has two setups. We have a setup for residential 2.5-inch thread tanks, and we have a setup for commercial 4-inch threaded tanks. If you're going to be using your resin loader on residential or 2.5-inch thread tanks, you're going to want to remove this adapter simply by unthreading. Put that back in the box. And then you're going to go simply thread your loader onto your tank. Nice and snug. You'll notice on the loader we have the media inlet side and we have our vacuum side. So you're going to attach your media hose to the media inlet side. And then you're going to attach your vacuum hose to the vacuum side. We use just a general shop vac here, works pretty well. What you're going to do is you're going to use the media loading hose to extract the media out of your bag, and you're just going to use a slow back and forth motion and not press it in too deep while we load it. And now we're going to turn that vacuum on. It's going to get a little loud. And you're going to simply continue that process until your bag is empty. It should take about a minute to a minute and a half. And that is how we use the Nelsen Media Loader. Thanks for joining.